Okay, friends, so of course on one of the hottest days in July, James and I have done a pretty adult thing today. Hi. Which is kind of exciting. Let me turn the camera around and show you what our next big adventure is.
1, 2, 3, action! Action! Oh!
Thank you. Take care, guys.
We made it home! Woo! Wait. Now I can safely say it.
We made it.
We made it! Hey, honey.
What?
We're big kids now.
We are big kids now. We're double homeowners.
Is it ours now? Well, this is ours now.
Everything in here is ours.
Even those?
Those are ours on purpose.
Show my IDs.
I'm gonna sit in the driver's seat. Okay, I'm pretending that I'm driving. And put the pedal. Mommy, I think I should take out the key.
We have purchased an RV, my friends. It is a 1999 Hurricane. Sleeps about 6, 7, or 8, depending. It's a bit of a fixer-upper because, of course, I'm going to quote a Disney song in all of this. Not our maiden voyage, but one of our first voyages are likely going to be to Fort Wilderness Campground in Florida. But we got her home. She's what, 34 feet?
34-footer, yeah.
34-footer. Got her home. We know she needs some brakes. There's a little bit of water damage on it. We knew that prior to purchasing. But she's ours. There's going to be some memories made in this. But let me go inside and show you the inside a minute. So, it has a automatic footstep. So when you close the door, it goes in. Don't mind me, it's a little bit of a hike to get up. Again, like I mentioned, has a little bit of work needs to her. 2 seats. We promised the owner that we would keep this sign in here. No whining. The couch folds out into a bed to sleep too. The table folds out to sleep too. And a full-size bed here in the back. We have full shower in here. Some water. Again, it's 90 degrees today, so I apologize, it is hot. Got some nice storage for clothes there and in the back. We have a RV fridge with stove and a microwave and a sink. So, welcome to the humble abode. She is all ours.
Woo, I'm a little bit dirty.
You were climbing under it already.
Well, we got the awning out. Obviously, there needs to be little repairs, but basically, the great thing about this is that we're gonna take and bring you guys along with the adventure as we take and remodel this. We already have a list of things that we know we're gonna take and do. Obviously, we're gonna take and fix the structural issues first, which is going to be the water damage that we have in the back, both on the roof as well as the delamination on the sides. We also know that the canopy will have to be replaced, or the awning will have to be replaced. We know we're gonna take and do some new flooring in here.
My project.
We're going to take and do some new curtains, and basically we're going to take and update it from a 1999, 90s, 2000s look and bring it up to modern day. It's going to be kind of more farmhouse chic.
That's what I'm going for.
Type view. Obviously we have the outside that we're going to leave the way that it is, but yeah, as long as we can get the motor up and running and we can get the structural stuff there in the back figured out. We got to get the generator up and running, get that carpet out, get that linoleum out, figure out what other damages are in there. But frankly, for the price that we paid, thank you very much, Mr. Stout, for taking and selling this to us. Our family is very grateful for you for offering us such a great deal. I know that you have a total of 5 children that range from adult to younger children, and I know that you have some family things that you're going through, and so, you know, our hearts go out to you. But again, thank you very much to you and your family for taking and allowing us the opportunity to take and make memories in this just as much as you guys did. So thanks again very much.
And to quote another Disney, it's going to be a whole new world inside.
It will be a whole new world, let me tell
We're
you.
going to have to sneak in little puns the entire way.
We're super stoked, ready to get going on it, but I think we're gonna have to let the temp cool down a little bit because it's pretty warm.
You ready to do this?
Let's do it.